Operation tutorial of electronic panel for digital filling machine. Look, let's say take a bottle. I don't know how much to fill. Then press this filling setting button. It starts to go when leaving. When the bottle is almost full. OK, pause it. OK, this time, the filling time shown above is the time it takes to fill the material. If I want to tune it here next time. Fine, tune it, then click the settings button. This corresponding number can be adjusted wherever it flashes. If you want to tune to the right, click the right shift key. Just click. Let's say I want to adjust 6 seconds, 6.5 seconds, OK. Increase here the third increase. Add 6 seconds. Move back again. That's 5 seconds. If it's 5 seconds, I'll change it to 5. OK, move it over again. Change it to 0 here. OK, it's set up. I'll click exit after setting it up. OK, the observation time is set. Let's say I want automatic filling. Automatic filling. There's a waiting time. The waiting time is the time it takes me to change the bottle. If I'm slow, so I'll set it to 3 seconds or 5 seconds here. It is the same as above. Set the key here and move it over here. Increase 45 is good. Just quit. Down here in the row are the counters. For example, if you want to automatically fill 10,000 bottles, OK here. Well, this is a counter. Clear here settings. Here is 1000. I changed 1,000. You will add 1. This becomes 0. Better exit. OK, this is 10,000 bottles. It cycles. It stops if I think the material is coming out too fast. Then I'm here at this filling speed. Number of observations. Here can 99 be full. I'm going down. Set to 80. Or 60 or 50. Adjust this yourself, but the minimum must be above 35. OK, that's OK.